Hello, I'm Pam. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox some Medusa makeup products. Okay, so here we go with the Medusa makeup. Sorry about the camera tipping over there. My cat tripped on the line and about knocked over the ring light. I am recording on my new microphone. Hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for everybody to hear me. Please let me know in the comments. Can you hear me well? Is there any feedback, any ringing, any noise? And I will address it from there. This is a Medusa makeup purchase. I purchased one item that is a eyelid primer, and we will look at that. But I also ordered 3 mystery packs. They currently have mystery packs on their website. One of them is, or 2 of them are $5 mystery packs, and you're supposed to get $10 worth of product. And they do have one deluxe mystery bag that is worth $42, and they charge $10 for it. So I have 2 $5 mystery packs in here, plus a $10 mystery pack. Now, they do say that if you order multiple mystery packs, you may get duplicates. Hopefully, I don't get duplicates. I did order, their 1 and 2 in their deluxe, so hopefully there won't be, but we shall see. Regardless if there is duplicates, I do not have a lot by Medusa Makeup. Medusa Makeup is an indie brand. The only bits of Medusa makeup I ever got was from other subscription boxes, probably Ice Cream Beauty. I do want to point out they did send it in this mailer, and it looks like it was ripped open at some point and then retaped up. Hopefully all the items I ordered are in here. This doesn't make me real happy. Okay, so this is called Spigot Eye Primer. This was, what was it, $10 on that invoice? What did I pay for this, guys? I paid $12 for this. So let's check out. It feels kind of greasy. I don't know about that. I think you have to kind of get through that top layer and warm it up a little bit. Yeah. So I'll be trying, yeah, that is a little bit tacky. I will be trying this eye primer with some eye looks on my channel in the future, and that does feel a little bit tacky, so I think that this will work nicely. Some of the oils, I think, just kind of came to the top while it sat. For me, for Medusa's makeup, one of the things I like about it, it's an indie brand. I do like to support indie brands, and I love the aesthetic. Medusa, like, how cool is Medusa? Talk about the ultimate feminist. And I think their logo is really cool. Okay, so the $5 mystery packs are supposed to come with, I believe, 3 to 4 items, and the deluxe is supposed to come with more. So I don't know what's what. I'm going to assume this is a $5 mystery pack. So in here, it looks like I got a lip gel, a liquid eyeshadow, and a tinted tint balm, a tinted lip balm. Oh my God. For $5. I think $5 is an awesome value for this package. So we are going to go ahead and test these out. I am sorry. I know there's cat hair everywhere. There's cat hair all over this blanket. I have 5 cats, so there's going to be cat hair. If seeing cat hair grosses you out, then I'm sorry, this isn't the channel for you. Hopefully it don't, and you stay. That smells, I wish you could smell this through the camera. It smells exactly like watermelon candy. Okay, this gives me Bonnie Bell lip smacker vibes, only it's a gel. I love it. That's awesome. Okay, next is a tinted lip balm. Tinted lip balm and peach, it says. Okay. Another cat hair. I'm not going to open this one. Maybe I'll open that at a different date. Because I just opened that one. I have a gazillion and one lip balms, guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to hang on to that. That might end up being a gift for somebody else in the future. And I just don't want to open it and waste it. I'm sure it's a lovely product. I haven't tried much by Medusa's makeup, but everything I have tried, I liked. Okay. Ooh, that is gorge, guys. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Worth every freaking penny of $5. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to put it on my primer that I put there. That's beautiful. I don't think the primer was dried all the way down. Of course, I also have lip goop on my finger, so we can't take that as an accurate swatch. It's beautiful. Okay, the box says liquid eyeshadow is a high shine liquid eyeshadow, layer on for more buildup, so you can build it up even darker, allowed to dry, and you're ready to go. It's cruelty-free and vegan. I think that is a beautiful product and will look awesome. And I don't think I had any blues quite that color, and that might actually be the kind of color blue that I've been looking for. So I'm excited about that, especially for $5. Next product we're going to look at, I think this was also probably the $5, and looks like we got some thickening mascara, a halo highlighter face stick, and maybe a lip liner or an eyeliner. I can't believe they're selling these for $5, guys. They still have available. I don't know if you'll get the same items. It's mystery stuff. But if you're interested in Medusa's makeup at all, I would say based on what I see here, I definitely would buy again. And so if you're interested, go check it out. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get any kickback or payback. I don't have any specialty codes to give you. I'm just telling you from one makeup lover to another. Check her out if you're interested. The more I look at this, the more I love it. Well, let me show you in the actual camera. There's a sheen to it. There's like a metallic sheen. It's really beautiful. Okay, so this stick, Colossal Cajal. It's like coal eyeliner. Ooh, it says silver. I wonder if it's silver. Oh, it's silver. Oh, yay. It's taken a second to get the top layer off of here. Not the most pigmented thing in the world. Doesn't really go good on the that eyeshadow that I laid down. But it is kind of a pretty, it's more of a gray actually than metallic silver, but that's okay. Okay, I'm back. So, so far what we've looked at is the silver eyeliner. We'll look at it one more time. I think that's pretty. I will definitely use that. I thought I might have one of these already. In fact, I know I did. I just went and looked where I keep all my highlighters. I don't see it there. It's not saying it's not there, or I didn't just put it somewhere else where I keep my makeup, but I'm not sure. But I want to see this anyway. So regardless, I'm going to open it. If it ends up being a duplicate, I'll just pass it off to one of my friends or family that doesn't mind accepting an opened product. Okay, let's see. Yep, this is very similar to the other one I had. You know, the other highlighter I had by Medusa's Makeup was like a white color. This is very, it looks kind of beige on camera. In person, it looks kind of bright orange. It swatches, you know, this, it's a halo stick, which I think is supposed to be highlighter, but that looks a lot like a blush with a very slight shimmer, kind of like a Danessa Myricks Yummy Balm. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad I didn't not open this, because this is different than any other product I currently have. I don't have anything that color. It's not sticky. It's not goopy. It's beautiful. I bet it builds up. And, you know, it's Leaping Bunny. It's cruelty-free. And it's an indie brand. And it was extremely affordable. Like I said, $5 for 3 products. Okay, here's the next one. It's called Witch Lash. It has like a little witchy thing on it. All right, so it looks like it's just a small thing of mascara. I'm not going to open the actual mascara. I just kind of wanted to see how big the tube is. I assume this is full size. I mean, it could be travel size, hard to tell, but it looks like by the shadow on here, it looks like the makeup goes all the way up to here. So it's probably a full size mascara. So that's nice. I mean, a full size mascara, a cheek product, and an eyeliner for $5. Just wanted to show real quick, you know, this came with this little protector on it. I twisted it back down and put the protector back on. I do believe the protector is intended to help keep the product from drying out because it is a little bit creamy. That's my opinion on it. It's not going to hurt, so I'm going to keep it like that. Just heads up in case you go and buy your own. Okay, so now we are into the last bit of Medusa's makeup. There's 4 items in this bag. I'm assuming this was their more expensive mystery bag, a $10 bag that's supposedly has at least $42 worth of product. So we are looking at this. Punk style. Ooh, yes, that's right up my alley. Girl, now, I wouldn't say, you know, I look real mainstream at this point, but your girl grew up on punk rock and alternative. Okay, that's my jam. That's my jam. Even though I dressed mainstream because I had to, because my parents made me. I know that's not very punk, right? But that was the reality. Okay, so still like the punk aesthetic, punk lifestyle. Actually, I like punk music and a lot of what punk music stands for. Anti-authoritarianism. I like that. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. It's black with little sparkles in it. And I assume that this is an eyeshadow. I don't know. It doesn't say on the package. It just says number 12, and it's black with sparkles. I enjoy it. I love the packaging. Punk style with a little heart with a sword through it and a little skull and crossbones. Hell yeah. Okay, next. This is a matte pigment made in the USA. Has iron oxides in it, and it is a green loose pigment. Okay, I picked up the tiniest amount of the loose pigment and kind of spread it out on my hand here to show you a swatch. It's kind of a medium green. It will go with a lot of looks. It's absolutely beautiful and worth it, especially if you like loose pigments. I would say that's a nice one. That's a great one. Next item, ooh, a sparkle lip gloss. Disco Queen, something else I absolutely love. Always love the disco. Sparkle, as far as glitter and sparkle, I really only care for that on my lips. I hate sparkle. Well, not sparkle. I love shimmer on my face, but I don't like glitter on my face. And I really don't like a lot of glitter in eyeshadows. Shimmer, yeah. Glitter, no. But glitter on the lips is cute. And this looks like a Disco Queen glitter lippy. I won the fight with the packaging. It was almost a toss-up. I know I didn't open that other thing because I said I opened 10 million lip balms and whatever. But this is a color product, so don't come for me. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'd say as far as the wand, you know, it's pretty basic, but the color of this is beautiful. It smells nice too. This will go with a lot. It's very neutral, but it does have a little bit of pigment. Very, very pretty. Very nice. For $10 for 4 items. I mean, how can you complain? Okay, and the last thing is, oh, this doesn't say Medusa's makeup. Shody Cosmetics. Freaking cat hairs, man. Shody Cosmetics. Looks like it might be a brown, some sort of brown pencil. It's a brown pencil. What kind of pencil? I have no idea. I'm going to assume eyeshadow, eyeliner. I'm going to have to look it up. I don't know if it's okay for lips too, but oh, look, see, it turned green because I'm smearing it with my green covered finger there. I have my makeup wipes around here somewhere. Yeah, I think once this dries down, it'll stay. My guess is this is an eye crayon, but I'll have to look that up. So, in summary, let me get everything here in the. So, in summary, basically, this was $20. 3 different mystery packs. As you see, I didn't get any duplicates, and I did buy this as well, but separately, and this was $12. So I don't think that's a bad deal, guys. If you're interested, go check it out. They still have those on sale right now. So you can get a smaller mystery thing for $5 or the larger one for 10. Okay, that's all I got for you for right now. Thank you very, very, very much for watching. If you like the video, just comment, like, and share. I would appreciate that. And make some comments down in the bottom there. Let me know, have you tried Medusa's makeup? Are you interested in Medusa's makeup? Do you think you might go and check out and see if you want anything from their site? I can tell you what, based on this and trying these products and having tried just a few before, I will be back. I will be shopping Medusa's makeup in the future. Absolutely. Love it. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.